I can't believe the difference in him in like a couple of weeks. Like the first like your audition, you were just like, it's like, oh my god. And now you're like clicking and bringing sass and like your confidence level is like there now. It's amazing. Well done, babe. Kelly.
Yeah, I think it was
the best decision to change your song to that at the last minute, because that, oh my god, that suited your voice so much. It was the most relaxed and controlled I think I've heard your voice sound, and like Sam said, you just looked so much more confident up there. And this for you as well, like your third or fourth time now singing in front of people. And that's amazing. Just the amount that you're coming out of yourself and finding yourself. That was my favourite performance of yours, and that's why I stood. You worked really, really, really hard. And it is definitely paying off for you 100%. You looked absolutely amazing and you sounded lush. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Louise. Yes, that was one of my favourite performances of yours. I think it was lovely to see you loosen up a bit. You still see you had nerves, but you like had a bit of attitude. You took the mic out the stand, kind of moved around a bit. It was a baby step, but that's all we need you to do, is just keep taking baby steps, because then you'll just gain more and more confidence, and you'll be doing it more and more, and then you'll be doing cartwheels and stuff by the end of the season. But it was a perfect song choice for you. I love how you added in a couple of glisses that were nice, and you still had that almost jazzy vibe, which is very you, but in a modern song, which made it just like you singing a modern song rather than you doing a cover of Billie Eilish. The pitching in that song is very, very precise because of the instrumental. You do one note off key and it'd be very obvious. So it was very well done with your pitching. It was all on. So yeah, I thought it was a fabulous performance. You should be really, really proud of that. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. That was definitely the perfect song choice, and I'm so glad like we picked that like last minute. Even though it was last minute, you would never guess. It sounds like you've been practicing that for like ages. It was basically flawless. Like it was stunning. The little slides in it were absolutely lush. Like they were so controlled. And I liked how like you took out some words to like breathe, like knowing your limits and stuff, and like. You completely changed that last bit, like the melody, to make your own. So I really enjoyed that. That was definitely like unique and current. Your lower range is definitely your strength. Like that was like it's so rich and smooth. It was beautiful, and I love the sax in there. Like your confidence is coming on leaps and bounds. And like Gail said, this is only like your fourth time singing in front of people. So that's why I'm really proud of you. So keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you. Thanks, Zoe.
See, I mean, I actually don't think it was your best performance. The reason why I don't is because I felt like it was your safest performance that I've seen. And I'll tell you why it was your safest, because it physically didn't go anywhere. I mean, it was low, like that, right through. So, even though we got to see you control, because you had to just keep it there, which was easy for you, it didn't show off as much as I wanted to see, because it is a low song, and it just goes like that. And I'm not wrong there, people only got to listen to Billie Eilish Bad Guy, and they go, oh God, yeah, that's low right through. It is a low song. So all we got to see then, and probably why the girls probably thought it was your best, is because it was in control, you know, because you didn't have to do anything with it. It was so safe, you know. Having said that, performance-wise, it was nice to see you actually take them steps, get a bit comfortable. So I want to give you credit for that, because you're definitely on the right path with what you've just done. If it took you doing this song for me to see you comfortable with your performance a little bit more, then I'm happy, because that is still one step forward. But just be careful with these song choices, because even the other one you sent to, I wouldn't have thought was the right song either. So I wouldn't say, oh, maybe you should have done the other one, because I don't think you should have done the other one either. So after hearing this like that, I thought you could have done more with it, a lot more. You know, but it's one of them songs you can play with that like crazy, put a rap on this, and scream it out, whatever you want to do. Well, realistically, yeah, you can. You know, it's about making it your own. And you could have done a lot more with that then. But it was safe, it was clean, it was tidy, it allowed us to see a bit more of your performance. So I'll take that for what it is, and I'll give you credit for that, alright? Well done.